What is going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today is June the 25th. I want to give you a quick pre-market update, go over some of the hot movers and where big money is gravitating towards today. Before I get into any of that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And with that said, let's get right to it. Starting off today, there isn't all that much for data points. So today is going to be more of a technical driven day. A couple of Fed speakers throughout the day as well though, but based on the topics that they should be discussing, like there won't be any correlation to kind of disrupt the broader market. So today is just going to be technicals. And right now you do see the futures are very green. So the NASDAQ is up 0.47%. S&P is up 0.28%. So kind of a nice rebound from last several trading days is kind of pullback. So let me know your thoughts on that. You do also see at the same time fear and greed index still under the fear category. It is at 40. So most likely it is going to stay under this kind of category until PCE and GDP come out, and that is Thursday and Friday this week. So once again, we'll just have to wait and see. Starting off with the stocks, SOFI is flat right now. So most likely once the market does open, it'll piggyback a little bit more with the market in general, but no SEC filings, no press releases, nothing like that. It has been heavily shorted. Short's been slowly getting in, but most likely they will be waiting for those two data points, like I said, to really double down or possibly kind of return some of their shares, get back to the lows, which was roughly around 16%. Currently sitting at 17.79% though. Utilization is 74.66. If you're looking at trading it, just watch for this $6.45 support to hold. That's the S2. On the flip side, $6.69 is going to be that next strong resistance / target. So we'll just have to wait and see what does happen. Volcon is one of those unique circumstances, and that has recently done a reverse stock split on June the 7th, a 1-for-100, because there is no news, no SEC filings to justify why it is up almost 50%. So it's one of those very unique circumstances that can only be explained by them doing a reverse stock split. So it's kind of messed up, and this is also at the same time why I don't like to look at Ortex when a company has done a reverse stock split within roughly 2 weeks, because it does show 450.18% of the free floats being shorted, which clearly is not accurate. And even with the current circumstances, there's no real point kind of looking at support and resistance points, because right now with it at $5.87, it's trading between this S3 and this S2. So $10.48 is going to be that next strong resistance / target, and then $1.27 next strong support. So in my opinion, not a financial advisor, of course, this one definitely is too risky for me, because I need something to justify why it is up. Why is up 51.55%? Of course, squeezes are fun and exciting, but I need something to kind of back it. Right now, you do see Nvidia having a nice little kind of reversal, so it is up 3.06%. Right now with it at 121 and change, it is trading between this R2 and this R1. So $1.15 is going to be the next strong support. On the flip side, $1.23 is going to be the next strong resistance, which given the market right now, I don't feel is justified for it to be above this R2, so it might kind of touch this and revert back and just trade within this range throughout the day. So we'll just have to wait and see. And one interesting point, definitely not saying that Nvidia is a squeeze play, but shorts have started to kind of get in a little bit more on Nvidia, especially given the recent weakness. So something to kind of consider. Trump media, no news, no SEC filing, so it's a very good momentum play, and a lot of money is getting in on it. Right now, it is up 7.4%. So with it at $36, it is trading between this S3 and this S2. So $34.70 is going to be the next strong support. $40.25 is going to be the next strong resistance / target. Right now, it is on the threshold list, and 14.74% of the free float is being shorted. Utilization is 100%. So this one kind of an interesting hybrid stock, because it could have a squeeze aspect on the side. So something to kind of consider. So Regis Corporation, RGS, is up 189.74% based off of this. So it looks like they announced a new credit facility to refinance existing debt, which generally is good for a low market cap company such as this, which right now it is sitting at 11.56%, or sorry, million. So 11.56 million. It's not heavily shorted, so 3.41% of the free float is being shorted. Right now, if you are looking at trading it with it at $14.83, it is above all the levels. So we kind of just have to move to the 1 week a little bit. So you can kind of see 1738 is going to be the next strong resistance / target, and just watch for 543 to continue to hold. But definitely, I don't really know much about this company, so maybe this news is a very big deal for it. So once again, just kind of stay tuned for that. And last but not least, company I do cover under this channel, Faraday Future. So they kind of dropped a very big bomb yesterday. So they dropped a preliminary 14A as well as this morning a definitive 14A, and so that is a shareholder meeting. So it looks like this company wants to do another reverse stock split, anywhere from a 1-to-2 to a 1-to-40. This is their history, so it looks like they're kind of addicted to reverse stock splits as well. Plus they also do want to raise the authorized share count. So not necessarily the best. It is somewhat heavily shorted. So 19.32% of the free float's being shorted. Surprisingly though, shorts are returning 143,000 shares this morning. So I don't know, it's going to be a very unique circumstance. As far as the upside, I don't anticipate that happening today by any means. I think that there's going to be a lot more downside coming based on just the sentiment surrounding reverse stock split. So let me know your thoughts on these stocks I did bring up. Do you own any of them? Do you trade them? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. One final thing, take advantage of this promo. Simply sign up for a new account, throw $100 at it, and they give you 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. Kick-ass deal. Link in the description below and also the comments. With all that said, appreciate all of you watching.